In this video, I will show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps so it speaks directions out loud while you're traveling. First, start by opening the Google Maps on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several options related to your account. Now from that menu, scroll down until you find the option of Settings. Tap on it. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize how Google Map works. Now, under this section, tap on Navigation Settings. This is where all the voice and route guidance options are located. Once you're inside the navigation settings, look for the section labeled Sound and Voice. Here you will find an option called Mute State. This is the key setting for voice navigation. If voice navigation is set to muted, you want to simply switch it to unmuted. This allows Google Maps to speak directions out loud while navigating. Right below, you will see an option called Guidance Volume. Tap on it and choose your preferred volume level. If you're having trouble hearing directions, then select the louder option. After adjusting these settings, you're all set. The next time you start navigation in Google Maps, it will give you turn-by-turn voice directions automatically. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.